Coffee and crappie. I snagged it. That's the second one. I've only caught 2, and I've snagged both of them. Alright. Bye-bye. Fishing these 2 jigs, about 12 inches apart. Why do you guys always want to go in the boat? It's like they want to be ate. Cast it out there far enough and real fast enough, you'll get it. You just gotta get it out there far enough. Your hooks are all.
Oh, they got that?
Your hooks were on your line. Foul hooked him too. What is up with that? That's 4 I foul hooked. Turned you guys right back on because I thought this was a bigger crappie. I turned the GoPro back on because I thought it was a bigger crappie, but it's yeah, those are nice. You're just fishing real slow, just reeling real slow. That's almost one of the biggest ones that we've caught, and that's not saying a whole lot. Alright, so this guy here, Mr. Wallace, just caught this. It's his PB for sure. Don't know how much it weighs. I'm trying to get the lure out of the dip net right now. Dude, if you don't have your scale, we'll measure it. Okay, I got that part out. You have it?
Dead.
Dead? Got him?
Mm-hmm.
Got him good?
Oh yeah.
Holy cow. He's got a big black spot on him there. We'll measure him. Let me get a picture of you with him real quick. And then we'll put him back in the dip net and let him get in the water until we could measure him. Good catch, dude. Good catch. That's awesome. I'm happy for you.
I'm excited.
Okay, look at the camera, smile. Want to get a girth measurement? Can you slide it up? There we go, perfect. I'm going to say 15. We're gonna say 21, dude. 15 by 21. There you are, dude.
Goodness.
It's a beautiful fish.
How much? I wish that battery wasn't dead. How
Well,
much?
I got measurements, so we can
Oh.
calculate it. I'd say he's 6, 5, 6. Go ahead and just set him in the water. Don't let him go. And keep him there, because I'm gonna take him back over to where he was. Good fish, dude. On the run. On the run. Just keep him right there. We're gonna take him back to where he was. Oh wow. Yeah, we quit crappie fishing and we decided to do a little bass fishing. Crappie weren't biting all that well anyway. He was up there in shallow water too, in like 3 foot of water.
Yep.
That's crazy. Good fish, man. You want to hold him up one more time for the camera? Good fish, dude. He was 21 by, what'd I say? 14 and a half?
14 and a half.
Let's get one more. Let's double check it just to make sure. Scales. Yep, 14 and a half on the money. 14 and a half. Okay, go ahead and set him down in there. Let him go see what happens. There he goes. Here he goes. Good catch, bro. It's awesome. I'm glad I had this tape measure too.
I've never caught one that big.
PB.
Ever.
That's your PB, dude. Good job, man. Title of this video will be Wallace's PB bass. Woo! Good job, man. I don't know. I think I might be just as excited as you are. You put that net back there so we don't trip over it.
Yeah.
I don't need anybody going in the cold water. I was like, tighten up that drag. No, no, no. Don't tighten that drag up. Leave it like that. Whenever I seen that thing, whenever I seen it, I was like, yeah, don't touch your drag at all.
See? I'm shaking.
Yeah, that's what that'll do to you, man. Good catch, dude. GoPro's about to die too, so that was perfect timing. Perfect timing. Yeah, you want to put that net back there?
I might have to cut this off and retie.
Yeah, I would recommend that. Good job, dude. Good job.
I bet you if I caught that during the summer, he'd probably put up more of a fight.
Yeah, he would have, because I mean they're lethargic right now.
Right.
Man, good job, dude.
He put up more of a fight, and it was right in there.
Yeah. Good job.
I thought he got hung on something.
Man, good catch. Whew, that made this whole day worth it.
Yeah. Just think if we were in a bass tournament.
Yeah, that probably would have been big bass, especially this time of year. Let's see. Let's Google length and girth bass weights.
Send that picture to Gary.
I will.
Hey, look what I caught.
Length and girth largemouth bass weights. Okay. Fish weight calculator. Okay. Length of the fish was what?
22.
21.
21.
21. So it was 21. And the girth was 14 and a half. 14.5. And it was a bass 6.26.
Wow.
I told you, I thought it was about 5 or 6. I'll screenshot this and send it to you.
Wow.
21 by 14 and a half, 6 point, that's estimated, but
Yeah.
had a black spot on its head. All right, man, there's your PB.
But that thing's got...
Whew. That made it worth it right there. Now this guy will never put that runt down. That runt is a mystery tackle box. It's a mystery tackle box bait, so shout out to Mystery Tackle Box. You know, if you want to sponsor me or Wallace, you know. Cool. Good job, man. So you caught that fish in like 2 foot of water. I mean, did he hit it? Where'd he hit it at?
I don't know. I was right in here.
I wonder if he was under that log or something
right
that's there.
And then I thought, you know, like I was telling you a while ago, that I kept feeling, like when I was reeling, I kept feeling a bump, and it feels like I was just pulling through the grass.
Yeah.
Then all of a sudden, it got real heavy, and I thought I got
snagged
on the rocks or something. And all of a sudden, my line was going like this, real slow. Then that's when I started pulling it in.
It's crazy. So I didn't tell you guys the date. So it's December 26th. It's the day after Christmas. He caught his PB the day after Christmas. Like, if that's not a good Christmas present, I don't know what is, man. The Lord has blessed you for sure. For sure. Jesus is like, man, it's my birthday, but you know, I'm just gonna give you a PB. That's awesome. That is awesome. It's cool. It's always cool when somebody catches a PB. Like, I don't think I've ever been on a boat when somebody caught their personal best besides me, whenever I caught my personal best. But yeah, that's the first time I've ever seen anybody catch their personal best. That's awesome though, man. I'm happy for you. Like, I'm so happy I'm not even letting off the trolling motor. We went from there to there in like 5 seconds. I'm not even paying attention to what I'm doing. It's great. This battery's gonna die, guys, so if you catch another personal best, or if I catch a personal best, it will not be on camera. It'll be via photo. Oh man. Dude, and that was at like 12:30. You caught that bass at 12:30. So it's not like we got out here and got an early morning bite or an evening bite. You caught that stinking thing like in the middle of the day. That's awesome. 2 foot of water. You know, and I've always been under the impression that bass go deep in the wintertime. Well, that bass wasn't deep. Was that the first bite you had on that too? Man, as far as you're concerned, that's the only bite you could have this today, huh? Do what? If anybody knows, I don't know, we'll post some pictures of that fish, but it had a black spot. I don't know if, I might sound ignorant here, but I don't know if fish like have birthmarks or something like that, but I don't know if you guys, I'll insert the picture on the video, but I don't know if they have birthmarks or what, but it had a big black spot, probably about, I don't know, 2 inches. It was a pretty big black spot on its head. I wonder what that's from. I'm sure you could Google it. Huh? Oh, you don't want to lose that. I would actually, if it was me, Wallace, I mean, this may sound stupid to you, but if it was me, I would take, do you have another one of those? Yeah, you do. I wouldn't use the other one. I'd keep it and like get that picture framed and put that bait on it. You know what I mean? Don't use, whoa, 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 here's a, there's a picnic table down there. Yeah. See it? There's a picnic table down there. I'm gonna have to back up. That's what that is, isn't it?
That's what it looks like. It looks like a picnic table.
Yeah, that's a picnic table. Alright guys, we had a pretty good day on the lake. Caught some crappie, caught some bass. This guy caught his PB. 6.25 is an estimated guess with a fish calculator. Putting in the length and the girth of the fish after we measured it. So congrats to him on his PB. We're gonna get off the lake here. Appreciate you guys watching. Remember to get out and enjoy what God blessed us with. That's the real way.